Hi there, students. Tackle. A tackle. Countable and uncountable. To tackle a problem as a verb. So if you tackle something, you try to deal with it. I'm trying to find a way to tackle this problem. Or maybe you could tackle somebody, go and talk to them about a problem that they are causing. So he's always arriving late, and I'm going to have to tackle him about his timekeeping. Okay, to tackle in sports. In football, to tackle, in soccer, to tackle somebody means to try and take the ball from them. But in rugby or American football, to tackle somebody is to catch hold of them and make them fall to the ground. Okay, so a tackle as well. Then tackle uncountable. The objects, the things that you need for an activity, particularly your fishing tackle. Yeah, all of the things you need to go fishing. Or maybe your wedding tackle, a man's genitals, all the things you need for the honeymoon night. So tackle, equipment, gear, apparatus, the gadgets. Okay, so to deal with something. I'm going to tackle the fact that the company is spending too much money. I'm going to tackle the boss about what he's doing. So you could tackle somebody, you go and talk to them about a problem and try and resolve that problem so that they are not causing a problem anymore. He was very aggressive to some of the clients, and I need to tackle him about being aggressive with the clients. Okay, so tackle. The equipment used to raise or lift things on a ship. A block and tackle. This is a rope and a pulley. So you attach the block to or the pulley to your heavy weight, and you pull this rope and it lifts it up. To tackle, to take the ball from somebody or to knock them down. To tackle, to try to deal with something. Tackle a crisis, tackle a question, tackle a problem. To tackle somebody about something. To talk to somebody about a problem situation because you disagree with them, because you're not happy with what they have been doing. Okay, so fishing tackle, yeah, equipment, apparatus. Wedding tackle, man's genitals. A tackle, a system of pulleys, a block and tackle, hoisting gear, things to pull up the sails. In soccer or hockey, to tackle another player, to try and get the ball from them. Or in football, in American football or rugby, to knock them down. To make determined efforts to deal with a problem. The government has promised to tackle rising crime. To start a discussion with someone about something that's disputed or sensitive, to confront somebody, to face up to them. So the boss is always unfairly criticizing me, and I'm going to have to tackle him about this. I'm going to have to deal with him about this. So your fishing gear, your fishing tackle, the ship's rigging, the pulleys, the tackle, tackling in a sport, yeah, to tackle another player. To set about dealing with a problem. Let's tackle this problem. Okay, so tackle, it's used in various different ways. Tackle a problem or a task. Deal with it determinedly. tackle somebody in a game, you try and take the ball, or you try and knock them on the ground. You tackle somebody about a particular manner, you speak to them honestly to try and get something to change or to get something done. So I confronted him, I faced up to him, I tackled him about his behaviour, I tackled him about his excessive drinking. Okay, you tackle someone, you could attack them and fight them. He tackled the criminal, to grab, to throw to the ground, to stop. Fishing tackle, equipment. A block and tackle, to hoist things up. A rigging. Okay, so formality, tackle. I think tackle, I'm going to give it a 5.5. Informality, use anywhere except for wedding tackle, which is going to be a 3.5 informality. And then as to origin, it comes from Middle Low German, tacken, to lay hold of, to grab, yeah, which comes from tackle, tackle, to lay hold of, to take, to grab, to, and if you grab something, then you are dealing with it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tackle.